What's going on, guys? Welcome to CS Backs. For today's video, I'm gonna show you I'm going to replace the battery on my key fob. This is my key fob. All you need to do is to push this button on the side, and then you need to get the manual key. To open the key fob, put the manual key here on this gap, and then you twist it. There you go. It's easy. You don't need any tools, just this manual key. And now it's time to take the battery off. This is my old battery, so we need to replace this. CR2032. It's better if you have a battery reserve at home, so you can easily change it. Take the battery off, use your nail, and then push it up. So we can now install the new one. This is my new battery, CR2032. Okay, let's put the battery in. There you go. All good. Time to put this back. Put the manual key back in, and we're all good. It's time to check this. Alright, it works. We're all good. Hope you liked the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment. Have a good one. Peace.